Can perfect. So hi, this is Zach from Sell House Columbus. We have one of our sellers here today, Johnny, and we just closed on their property on Blanche Avenue in Cleveland Heights. So Johnny, how did you first hear about us? How did you find us?
I think you guys wrote us, didn't they write us, baby? They sent us a card about the house. We said we buy houses, and naturally I was thinking about selling it anyway, so I wanted to sell it the easiest way possible, so that's how we got going with it.
Excellent.
You see me, Zach?
Yep, I can see you. I can see you. Can you see me?
I see myself.
Yeah, I can see you.
Mhm. Okay, all right, that's what I did.
And
yeah, so that's how.
Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Sorry.
No, go ahead. That's fine. That's fine. Go ahead.
And tell us about your situation, why you sold the house.
Well, I sold the house because my wife and I have been into real estate for what, 30 years, 40 years, 40-something years. And we are getting to the age where we want to kind of do something else. And buy some closer to us. That's why we did it.
All right. Excellent. And
my wife want to do a little traveling too.
Nice. And, nice.
So and I think another thing, we didn't want to go through, we definitely didn't want to go through no real estate. We didn't want to do that. So I wanted to get rid of it as fast as possible with less cost as possible. So, hey,
that
was
perfect.
It.
Perfect. And did we do what we said we're going to do? And did we buy a property as is, all cash?
Yes. Yep. Sure did.
Perfect. And lastly, what would you say to someone who'd like to sell their house fast for cash?
Well, I think you guys would be the good people to buy it from. I mean, to sell it to, rather. It was pretty easy. Pretty easy. I really didn't have no problem. Since I'm not good with this technology, but you guys helped me through it, and you did what you said we're gonna do. So that's good.
Perfect. I appreciate that, Johnny. And again, this is Zach from Sell House Columbus. If you're someone who wants to sell your property for cash, find us online at www.sellhousecolumbus.com or call us at 614-300-5151. See you on the next video.
Thank you.